Obwa yellow fever nko muringo gumwe ogwo kubasa kureba ngo abantu tibatunga oburiro obu banyuma ya ministry y'amagara okurangirira ngo oburiro obu hine myanya eyubarukiremo
ehururu eyokugema abantu neija kutandika ebiro mwenda byokwezo kwa mukaga omwaka ogu kandi neija ku 2013 byokwezo nuko kumwe kandi ejigenderire kugema abantu abari hagati ya mezi mwenda hamwe n'emyaka nkaga y'obukuru.
To launch this vaccination exercise in the district, which runs from Friday 9th June, which happens also to be Heroes Day, to the 13th day
Esande huire ministry y'amagara ekarugayo yabasa kuba neranga kunihija kubaho kugemwa omu district sinka Kabarore, Kabare, Rira, Guru, Arua hamwe na Hoima kandi hureji neja kuberya hansi ya Uganda National Expanded Program. Okurjira ahar Catherine Kemegabo oryo mukugu omu byamagara omu Kabarore district nagira ngo abantu bingi omu district ya Kabarore batwirene baterana sendwareji no mushwijo gwensiri konko gwarjireyo yabasa kuba nabashomesa obwo ari kubegesa kwendwareji eyino kubonero nkamisho kuhinduka gakaba gacenju hamwe no kuterwa umutwe ogiseho no kuribwa munda hamwe no kutanaka
hasa mu burwaire butandika no bujanjara mulingo burwa hamuntu wonde rugena halionde kandi bakutunga yellow fever noja kumanyota baje kutunga umuto kuhingura ine okusasa okutandaka.
Richard Rwabuhinga ogwene district chairperson ahabwa Kabarore naterera abantu muranga okwija bakejo mbere mu hureji bakabasa kuba nebejemesa ahabwo kubo kujemesibwa no kwabusha kandi yayongera yashaba abantu obutashisha mubazi.
This exercise, I invite our health workers to remain very professional. Let us avoid wastage of the vaccines. But also to mention is that this vaccine is free of charge.
Umwe abakozi b'ekitongore cya ministry y'amagara nagira ngo abantu barukwingana bana nubo bafire ahabwe ndwareji niyo nshonga habwenshi barugire kubasa kubana bagima abantu abarya hagati ya mezi mwenda hamwe n'emyaka nkaga kandi nagira ngo abo abarya higuriye emyaka nkaga tubo bagenderire kugima ahakobe mbiri yabo neba yahwira mani.
4 of them died from the disease, so it was a 50% case fatality. For those that are below 9 months, the routine immunization is going to cover them up. For whichever child that turns 9 months will be getting a yellow fever jab. And those above 60 are not targeted for now because the bodies of people that are above 60 usually are weak.
Chairperson w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district ya Kabarore nashaba abantu aba abari higuriye emyaka nkaga obutahurira kubi ahabwa enshonga yo kugira ngo botu baragemesibwe obwo ari kugira ngo ekitongore cy'byamagara nikimanye cyo gukora kandi nikija gukora cyo kubasika cyona okureba ngo nabo batebwa mu nkora.
But I need to assure them that our scientists are doing everything possible to find an alternative. So for now, let them relax. Let them not force themselves into this vaccination exercise. Let us first be sure with scientific evidence that we can also take them on. And once that one is done, we shall also reach out to them.
Rwabuhinga hona yayongera yarabrabo bona abarukumanya ngo nibenda kugenda nibajanjaza amahurire g'ibishobobo omwihanga hamwe no mu district ya Kabarore ngo berinde munonga ahakubana bija kuhenderera nyuma ya mitehimbwa.
I would wish to warn anybody intending to give wrong information or misinform the public that under the Uganda law it is a crime to sabotage government programs. And we shall not hesitate to use the other enforcement arm of government to apprehend such people who will want to sabotage this otherwise very good and well intentioned.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.